All right, boys and girls, so I'm going to show you how to access Renaissance Learning through Clever. Remember, on Clever, it's up here in the extension bar. It's that blue square with the white C. For this, you're going to have to scroll down to assessment tools. Right here, it says assessment tools. You're going to click on Renaissance Place. You're going to click on Renaissance Place, and then this pop-up should pop up, and then you're going to type in your username and password to Renaissance Learning. So I sent it to you either on both the STAR math assignment and the STAR ELA reading assignment if you need to remember what it is. So I'm going to type in mine. So you're going to click save, and then it's going to redirect you to Renaissance Learning, and then it's going to pop up and save. And right, so if it redirects you to Renaissance Learning, and so if it redirects you to this page, make sure you select I'm a student, and then you need to type in your username and login, your username and password, and then log in. And then after this, every time you click on the Renaissance Place through Clever, it will automatically sign you in and you never have to enter your username or password. All right. Hope